My friend asked me to create a Discord bot for his Discord server that would allow users to gain access to specific content on the server, but he's not paying me. So I spent 5 hours creating the bot to delete his server and scripting it with the package JDA, and here's how it went. Alright, hello. I finished the bot, the Discord bot. So here I'm giving you a list of codes. If you paste one of them in the invite channel, it'll actually give you a role, which can give you access to some text channels. Yeah, as you can see. And so now you have the regular role. You can then connect this role to, let's say, a text channel. That means that only these people have access to that text channel. And also to improve security wise and all other things, I also made sure that the bot could not detect the codes from another server. No text channel, I mean. So if you paste it, let's say, in the general text channel, it won't actually give you another regular role.
Ladies and gentlemen, we got him.
Got him. Uh-oh. If you want to delete your friend's Discord text channels, link to the repository in the description. If you want an overview of the code, like and subscribe.